Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bechstein. For over 100 years, upright and grand pianos have been built here. At Bechstein as a whole since 1853. Some 180 staff members, mostly piano technicians and carpenters, manufacture upright and grand pianos of the premium series C. Bechstein and the high-range Bechstein Academy series. Please follow me and take a look into the heart of the grand piano. Bechstein has a foundation which we have for the most part standardized. Its name is quality. This Bechstein standard demands that all the materials we employ are rigorously inspected with regard to their properties and function, as well as their relative tonal possibilities, which we require for the enrichment of the product itself. Wood is the main material from which pianos are made. Hardwoods have a supporting and mechanical function. The resilient woods, such as spruce, are used for keys and soundboards. Well, one of the most important materials required is wood, in this case pine and beech, essentially European wood from conventional ecologically sound forestry. Although we follow a rigorous selection process choosing the woods regarding quality and durability, all aspects of minimum waste and maximal usage of natural resources are our constant guide. Wood is a very valuable material, indispensable for our instruments, particularly for quality. It is an element which we give our utmost attention to. After all, quality pays off. The basis of Bechstein is fundamental and clear. This means that we have to continue to foster the handcrafting capabilities developed over decades, or better said, over centuries. We are convinced that this tradition can only be continued here in this part of Germany. Here we have the people who in fact closely identify themselves with their craft, actually with the musical instrument itself. They pour their heart and soul into it. This part of Germany enjoys great continuity. The people are deeply rooted in this area and have formed a strong bond with this product. Therefore, they take pride in what they do. The structure of suppliers is also convenient. In fact, all the materials essential to our manufacture reach us within the distance of about 2 driving hours.
In einem Umfeld von 2 Autostunden. Ein weiteres Bauteil für
Another piano part, very important for the tone, is the so-called bridge. In this case, the red beech body and hornbeam cap. This material in solid wood guarantees the best transfer of vibrations to the soundboard through the bridge, enabling all partials and elements of tone color to emerge, allowing the piano to sing.
Dieses Instrument dann zum Klingen zu bringen. Morgen.
The inner and outer grand piano rim is composed of different woods, which are coated with glue and then inserted in a special press where they are bent into shape over many hours. The result is the rim and the cabinet, which is also the final form of the grand piano. Numerous layers of wood are glued together using high pressure to achieve a stable shape. This in fact provides stability, supporting the iron frame and cabinet. It is indeed a system of controlled tension, balancing the total sonority of the instrument and augmenting its projection of sound. Only after we achieve a synthesis of all the tradition and experience we made in the past, then couple it with current technical possibilities, can we indeed create a prosperous future. This is in fact a narrow path which we repeatedly walk. For it, we need the highly trained craftsmen and women and the master who has learned the trade from bottom to top. We furthermore employ machines and efficient electronic tools which are essential for the fulfillment of basic work processes. These are precise and cost-effective methods, even beyond those of handcrafting. This synthesis of highest effectivity and quality in basic production, coupled on all subsequent levels of manufacture with top-notch handcrafting specialists, results in a masterpiece. We are now in the area in which solid woods are worked upon. Here is the belly rail, a transverse part of the rim joining the base with the treble section. It is made of solid beech coupled with pine layers of wood, which produces a variety of frequencies of tonal support of the piano. This is also an important element for the resilience of the soundboard, or the heart of the piano. It generates and augments the total body of the sound basis. Our work on these parts is always done by computer-controlled tools and machines so that exactness and precise fitting are warrants for quality.
Dass Qualität das oberste Maximum ist.